Welcome back, children. Today we will start chapter 1, Matter in Our Surroundings. This is the first chapter in chemistry. So we have finished one chapter in physics, that was motion, chapter number 8. Now today we will start first chapter in chemistry, that is matter in our surroundings. Now children, I am sure all of you know what is matter. If I ask you what is matter, what will you say? Anything which has mass and occupies space is called as matter. Now everything which you see around yourself, including your body, everything is made up of matter. The air, the water, the earth, rocks, trees, planets, everything. It is made up of matter. Now, how did this idea of matter come into being? For this, we must be proud to say that our ancient philosophers told us about Pancha Tattva. According to them, everything in this whole universe is made up of these 5 Pancha Tattva. What are they? They are the earth, the sky, the air, fire. So children, as I said, that from early times, right from the beginning of the civilization, people were trying to understand about matter and about how all the things around us are made of. So, our ancient Indian philosophers gave us the theory of Pancha Tattva. They said that everything in this universe is made up of these 5 basic elements. What are they? They are earth, sky, air, fire and water. Clear? You remember 5 things? Well, if you don't remember, then I can show you a small trick. See, Pancha Tattva. What are these 5 elements? The 5 elements are earth, sky, air, fire and water. Clear? Very easy way to remember, I can tell you. What have I written? Bhagwan, no? All of you know, all of you are aware of this eternal God, Almighty. Now let us see how I am writing. Bha means Bhumi. That is earth. Ga means Gagan. That is sky. Va means Vayu. that is air. A means Agni, that is fire, and Na means Neer, that is water. Clear? So you can easily remember. All of you take the name of God every day. You take the name of Bhagwan every day. So spell it in this way: Bha plus Ga plus Va plus A plus Na. So Bha, with Bha Bhumi, that is earth. With Ga Gagan, that is sky. With Va is Vayu, that is air. With A Agni, that is fire. Na is Neer, that is water. So these 5 elements makes our God. Clear, children? So very easy way to remember the 5 elements as per our ancient Indian philosophers. Similar type of proposal was given by early Greek philosophers as well after our Indian philosophers gave it. Clear? Now, matter and its nature has been divided into 2 categories. One is physical nature of matter, another is chemical aspect of matter. So in this chapter particularly, we are going through the physical properties of matter. Clear? So, in physical property of matter, the first thing that we should know, or you can say physical nature of matter, in physical nature of matter, first we come to know about matter is made of particles, and second is particles of matter are extremely small beyond our imagination. Now matter is made of particles. How to prove? All of you prepare sharbat. In water you add sugar, you add a pinch of salt, and then you stir it nicely. After some time, what do you see? That both has vanished. Salt has also vanished, sugar has also vanished. Where has it gone? It is there in that solution. Why it has happened? Now that spoon of sugar got dissolved in water. It got separated into tiny particles which are so small that they have entered the fine gaps between water molecules. So you can understand? So this is what we say, that matter is made up of particles. They are made up of small particles, very small particles. Now how small are these particles? For that, supposing if you take one crystal of potassium permanganate in say 100 ml of water, stir it nicely, it will dissolve, you will get a purple colored solution. Take out 10 ml of this purple colored solution and add in 90 ml of fresh water. Mix, you will find that that whole water has become again purple colored, but of less intense, slightly less intense. Again take out 10 ml from that second test tube. Again take 90 ml of fresh water and this 10 ml which has been taken from second test tube has been put in that. Again, stir it again, you will find the whole water becomes purple, but it becomes lighter, not that much dark. In this way, if you keep on repeating again and again and again, you will find you can prepare 1000 ml, maybe more, but then also a slight tinge of purple color will remain. Why it is there? That means these particles of potassium permanganate, they are so small that every time it got spread, and even after 10-20 times dilute solution, that purpleness exists. This shows how small the particle of matter is. It is so small, it is beyond your imagination. So this is the first physical nature of matter. Remember, 2 points are there. Matter is made of particles, and particles of matter are extremely small, beyond our imagination. Okay? So we'll continue in our next class. Thank you.